Look how good eyelashes can elevate our look effortlessly. At ang gamit ko lamang ay itong newest baby comic eyelashes from Emlyn Diaries. I love that it's beginner friendly kasi naka-indicate na yung outer, middle, and inner kaya hindi na kayo malilito sa pag-apply. It also comes with lower lashes as you can see. Set yung nga din pala ito mabibili guys. So ito yung lash bond or yung pangdikit. Madali lang din gamitin yan. Parang mascara lang din pag in-apply. And ito naman yung lash remover. And lastly, meron din tayong tweezer. So first step, i-curl muna natin yung eyelash natin. Mas madali kasi mag-apply kapag nakaangat yung natural lashes natin. Then, apply nyo lang yung lash bond evenly. At magsa-start ako sa inner guys kasi mas madali yun. Make sure lang na walang mga gap in between. So, inner, middle, and outer muna tayo. Diba? Napakadaling gawin. And wag din kayo mag-alala kasi hindi din to nakaka-irritate ng mata. So, gamit yung tweezers, ipipinch ko lang yung eyelashes para ma-secure siya. So, here's the with and without. Seamless, right? And here's the view from the side. Boogs. This is also reusable and can last up to 2 to 5 days. So, depende pa din sa inyo. Pwede nyo din i-out to sa swimming kasi kahit naghilamos na ako, hindi pa din siya natanggal. And to remove naman, apply nyo lang yung lash remover, the right amount. So, ganun lang kadali. Ganun lang ka-basic. Walang sakit. And no uncomfortable feeling. Madami pa silang ibang series ng lashes. So, if you wanna try, go check my yellow basket.